The Irish Film London podcast is back with a brand new season for 2022. Join me, Niamh Brannigan and Jerry Maguire every fortnight as we discuss all the latest news in the world of Irish film, TV and animation, and bring you exclusive interviews with big names like Saoirse Ronan.
Within the world of the arts, comedy is something that I think we're all unbelievably desperate for, maybe without even realising it.
Andrew Scott.
My job is to interpret what their interpretation of the novel is. I was like, well, I'm going to be as playful as I can.
And Fiona Shaw.
When I was growing up, there were no films being made at all. It sort of got the optimism about making films in Ireland going. And then it sort of took off vertically in the 90s.
We'll also have exclusive looks and interviews with some exciting new and up-and-coming talent in the industry. The Irish Film London podcast is completely independent, but we would like to thank Culture Ireland and the Irish Emigrant Support Programme for their support in making it happen. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Simply search Irish Film London to keep up to date with all of the interviews and events IFL has to offer. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube.